Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where we learn the MS Excel from the very basics. In the prior videos, we have seen formulas which we could use in MS Excel and get our work done. Today, we'll be looking into a scenario and how can we solve it by using the MS Excel is what we are going to learn today. So make sure to watch the video till the very end so that you never miss any learnings in this series. Suppose you get this data and you are required to do the following. Here there are 4 columns and at the second column, that is at the B column, there are numbers present. Here I have only put the numbers till the 10 rows for our understanding. Here as we can see, in some rows there are values present for which the total number of digits may be varying. That is, some may have 9 digits, some may have 10 or some may have 11 and so on. Our task over here is to check that wherever there is a 10 digits present in any row, we have to mention it as a mobile number, otherwise NA, that is not applicable. For that, first we have to check the length of any particular character present in any cell. Here if you can see, we can check the total number of characters present in any cell by using a formula which is present in the MS Excel. The name of that formula would be length. I come over here, put is equal to len, press tab and give the reference to that cell and press enter and you see I am getting the result. Now I have to just come over here, copy it and paste it to the very end and I am getting the total number of characters present in each of the row. Now here there are only 10 rows and we could manually check it, but what if there are hundreds or thousands of rows present with you and you have to do the same? At that moment, this formula could be helpful and saves a lot of your times and get the work done within seconds. Now the work is not completed over here. The next step is that after getting the total number of characters count as 10, 9, 11 and so on, the next part is to categorize the number over there present as a mobile number or as an NA. As you can see, wherever there is a cell value as 10 digits, we are going to mention it as a mobile number. So in the next column, that is the D column, I am going to insert another formula by which we can get the result. I put is equal to if. I put is equal to if. The first argument is a logical test. I have to give a logical test. I say my C column, if it is equal to 10, this is my logical test. Now I have to enter the true value. Whenever we insert any text in a formula, we have to make sure that we put it inside a double inverted quote so that the Excel understands it as any text. And if it is a false value, we want NA. I put it inside a double quotation and close the bracket and press enter. I get the result. Over here the mobile number is not visible. I'll just expand the space of that cell and I'm getting the result. Now my task is to just come over here and double click and I am getting the result over here. You see that wherever there is a 10 in my C column, at the D column I am getting the status as a mobile number, and wherever there are numbers other than 10, I am getting a NA over there. Now I am going to give you a bonus tip or a bonus formula, say it as an advanced formula. Now what if there are only one column present with you and you have to put this criteria in such a way that by using only one cell you have to get the last answer as whether it's a mobile number or an NA, that is not applicable. So over here what we'll do is we'll sum up both the formulas or use both the formulas at once. For that I'm going to use the E column present over here and We'll now insert the formula by using the combination of the formulas we used in the C column and at the D column. For that, first we'll understand what are our requirements. Our requirement is that wherever I have 10 digits at my B column, I want to get the answer as a mobile number. So here there is a logical test which you have to perform and get the result. So I apply a if formula at the beginning. Now what is our logical test? Our logical test is that if the I put is equal to len and I put the len formula over here, I give the reference it over here, close the bracket, and my logical test is that if the B column's length is equal to 10, I want the true value as mobile number, and if it's not a 10 digit character, I want it as NA. Now I just press enter, and if you see over here, you're getting the result as a mobile number by just using the combination of both the formula. Now to get the result for the rest of the cells, it is simple. I come over here, double click, and I'm getting the result. I hope you have understood how to use the combination of a length formula and if formula to get the results within seconds. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, kindly share it with your friends or someone who wants to learn Excel and make their work simpler by using the MS Excel formulas and functions. Make sure you learn and apply this formula so that you never forget it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and have a good day.